येनात्मना विलीयन्ते उद्भवन्ति च वृत्तयः इत्यावगतये तस्मै नमोऽधि प्रत्ययात्मने प्रमथ्यवज्रोपमयुक्तिसंवृतैः श्रुतेररातीन् शतशो वचोऽसिभिः ररक्ष वेदार्थनिधिं विशालधीर् नमो यतीन्द्राय गुरोर्गरीयसे शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। 18th chapter of Upadesha Sahasri called Tattvamasi Prakaranam. In this Prasankhyanavada is presented as Purvapaksha. Siddhanti said Tattvamasi Jnanam will eliminate the Karta Bhokta Buddhi which is given by Shastra only as Loka Anuvada. And that Buddhi will get negated by Aham Brahmasmi Jnana. Then Prasankhyanavadi came and he says, this Aham Brahmasmi Jnanam is not sthira. Aham Brahmasmi Jnanam is not sthira. For sthira Jnanam, what I need? I need yukti and avritti of this Aham Brahmasmi. So first point you note down, because Aham Brahmasmi Jnanam is not sthira, that's why Prasankhyanam. Second, even when I hear Aham Brahmasmi Vakya, Jnanam is not clear in the first attempt. Therefore, I should do Prasankhyanam. This is the second hetu. Third, he says, there should be vidhi of this Aham Brahmasmi Prasankhyanam. Just like there is a vidhi for Agnihotradi karma. Until that Jnanam becomes dridha, so according to Purvapaksha, Mahavakya Jnanam will not produce Aparoksha Jnana. This Avritti or Prasankhyanam will make it Sthira Jnana. So you need that. Then he justifies that by the fourth point, that if you don't have a vidhi, see in karma, there is something called Anga karma and Angi karma. Anga karma is upakari. it will do upakara to Angi. Angi will become Upakarya. Means between them, Anga Angi Sambandha is there in case of Karma. Purva Paksha says here also there is some such thing. This Yama, Niyama, etc., Ashtanga Yoga practice, and the Sannyasa Vidhanam, which enforces a certain kind of lifestyle. That is Anga. Brahma Jnanam is Angi. So if you do Yama Niyama Adi, if you have sannyasa lifestyle, it will help you in Aham Brahmasmi. So we read this introduction, right? Kincha vidhimantarena chet brahmatmaikyat स्वयमेव प्रतिपद्येत तदा यम नियमादिकम अनुष्ठीयमानम मिथ्या स्यात् उपकार्य अभावात्. If yama niyamadikam anushtanam, or the anushtanam of that, mithya here means vyartham, it will become of no use, meaningless. If without any vidhi you get aham brahmasmi jnana. Purva Pakshi says you are bypassing all these norms and rules, and without that, if you get aham brahmasmi jnana, what will happen to this yama, niyama, and all these specific lifestyle, etc., etc.? Shloka number 12, page number 249. चेष्टितं च तथा मिथ्या स्वच्छन्दः प्रतिपद्यते प्रसंख्यानमतः कार्यं यावदात्मानुभूयते. चेष्टितं च तथा मिथ्या स्वच्छन्दः प्रतिपद्यते प्रसंख्यानमतः कार्यं यावदात्मानुभूयते. तथा च means and also. स्वच्छंदः चेष्टितं मिथ्या प्रतिपद्यते. प्रसंख्यानं कार्यं यावदात्मानुभूयते. तथा च and also moreover. स्वच्छंदः चेष्टितं मिथ्या प्रतिपद्यते. Swachhanda. Swachhanda means independent of prasankhyanam. Without prasankhyanam, if you get aham brahmasmi jnanam, then cheshtitam mithya pratipadyate. Cheshtitam means this yama, niyama and the sannyasa lifestyle will be of no use. Mithya means worthless, meaningless. Purva Pakshi is saying, therefore, ataha prasankhyanam karyam. Therefore, you should do prasankhyanam until Atma Anubhava takes place. See, Purva Pakshi's arguments are half good. But where he is using those arguments, that is wrong place. Yama Niyama and Sannyasa lifestyle will help you in Aham Brahmasmi Jnanam. In that there is nothing wrong. But for that I should do Prasankhyanam is wrong. Similarly, earlier he said that once when you hear the Mahavakya and it is not clear, therefore you should do Punah Shravanam, more Shravanam Mananam Nididhyasanam. That is correct. But if you say therefore we should do Prasankhyanam, and in that Prasankhyanam, you are, if you have not understood something and you go on repeating it, repetition will not bring understanding. Understanding will not happen just because you are repeating something. So, Shravanam Mananam is prescribed, Nididhyasanam is prescribed, Yukti, Anuchintanam, they are prescribed, but not as mere repetition. This is the understanding. Aham Brahmasmi is an understanding. We should bring that clear understanding with the help of Pramana. This, if I miss, and if I go on doing something, that doing something will not lead me to clear jnanam. So, Swachandaha, Swachandaha means without any niyoga, without any enjoyment, any vidhi of prasankhyanam, then all this yama, niyama, asana, pranayama, all this sannyasa lifestyle, waking up early, going to Gangaji, living in forests like place, ekante sukhamasyatam, paratare chetas samadhiyatam, purnatma susamikshatam, all of this will become meaningless if somebody says, I will live what I just heard Aham Brahmasmi. I understood I am Aham Brahmasmi. So I don't need to follow any rules. Therefore, Purvapakshi says, therefore you should do Prasankhyan. That therefore is erroneous. Tika. Cheshtitam means anushtitam. Anushtitam what? Anushtanam done of yamadi. So yama, niyama, asana, pranayama, you should also include sannyasa lifestyle. Swachandaha, Svechavan. Swaichavan, as per my will, I will do. Aniyuktaha iti yavat. The one who is not having any niyoga, means the one who is not tied to some prasankhyanadi vidhi. Iti yavat. Pratipadyate chet, if you do like this, pratipadyate chet, iti adhyaharaha. So you can say, Swachandaha pratipadyate chet, cheshtitam mithyasyat. And therefore, prasankhyanam ataha karyam, atmanubhuyate, until atmanubhuti takes place. Sakshat kriyate ityartha. Itopi prasankhya. So there are two aspects we should remember. One is clear knowledge. With that knowledge, my identification with the body, mind, etc. should drop. My kartritva, bhoktritva, bhava should become mithya. I have understood Mahavakya. What is the understanding? I am Brahma. But I have some body problems, I have mind problems, I am Brahma. Both of them will not go together. Those are mithya then. Next point he says, itopi prasankhyanam vidhito anushteyam. Prasankhyanam vidhi should be there for this reason also. This is, I think, reason number 6 or 5, something. Sadasmi ticha vijnana makshajo badate dhruvam शब्दोत्थं दृढ़ संस्कारो दोषैश्च कृष्यते बहिः. सदस्मीति च विज्ञान मक्षजो बाधते ध्रुवम् शब्दोत्तर संस्कारो दोषैश्चाकृष्यते बहिः। अक्षजो विज्ञानम सद अस्मि इति च ध्रुवं बाधते। सद अस्मि इति च विज्ञानम ध्रुवं बाधते। विज्ञानम इज पुल्लिंग और नपुंसकलिंग?
Napunsaklinga.
It is pullinga.
नपुंसकलिंग. I will explain why I asked that question. Second line. So the अन्वय will be like this. अक्षजो विज्ञानम शब्दोत्थम सद अस्मि इति च विज्ञानम ध्रुवं बाधते. One वाक्य. Second वाक्य दृढ़ संस्कारो दोषैः च बहिः आकृष्यते. So अक्षजः विज्ञानम means प्रत्यक्ष ज्ञानम. प्रत्यक्ष ज्ञानम will do बाध of aham brahmasmi jnana. Purva Pakshi says. Dhruvam, certainly. Shabdotham sadasmi iti cha vijnanam. Dhruvam badhate. Akshajaha vijnanam. Vijnanam is in Prathama or Dvitiya?
Dvitiya. Dvitiya vibhakti.
And then Shabdotham sadasmi iti vijnanam badhate. Vijnanam again is in Prathama or Dvitiya?
Prathama. Prathama. Prathama.
So, which jnanam is doing badha of what according to Purva Pakshi?
Akshajaha Vijnanam will do Bada of Shabdotta Jnanam.
So, Akshajaha Vijnanam, Shabdotham Vijnanam Badate. Now you tell me which one will be in Prathama and which one will be in Dvitiya.
Akshajaha Vijnanam Prathama, Shabdottam Vijnanam Dvitiya.
Correct. Understood? Shabdotham Vijnanam. Shabdotham Vijnanam will do Badha of? No. Akshajaha Vijnanam will do Badha of Shabdotham Jnanam, Purva Pakshi says. Means Purva Pakshi is saying, look at our experience. You here in class, you are Brahma, you are Brahma, you are Brahma. Jagat is Mithya, Jagat is Mithya. As soon as class is over, what is your understanding? Jagat is Satyam, I am Karta Bhokta. Means Pratyaksha Jnanam is doing Badha of whatever I heard, Shastriya Jnanam. Dhruvam Badhate, he says, there is no doubt. Therefore, unless you do Prasangyanam, you will not survive. This Aham Brahmasmi is not going to survive. And what happens? The Dridha Samskara of Pratyaksha Jnanam, Doshaihi Bahihi Akrishyate. Because of the dosha, like Raga, Dvesha, etc., my Dridha Samskaras, no matter how many times I hear Adveshta Sarva Bhutana, Raga Dveshas come back. and externally I run towards something, I run away from something. So those things keep happening. So this is Purva Paksha. But when we hear all these points, we feel they sound so correct. And we feel what he's saying we should do. See, Tika. Sadasmi iti Vijnanam Akshajaha Pratyaksha Pratyayaha Karta Bhokta iti evam Adyakaro Badhate. Sadasmi iti Vijnanam Akshajaha Pratyaksha Pratyayaha Badhati. Akshajaha Pratyaksha Pratyayaha Sadasmi iti Vijnanam Badhate. Or both the times you can take Vijnanam because Pratyaya Shabda is not given there. So Akshajaha Vijnanam Sadasmi iti Vijnanam Badhate. What is Akshaja Pratyaya? Aham Karta Bhokta. And we saw this earlier in this chapter itself. 3 hetus I had given. One is Pratyaksha is Jyeshtha Pramana. Second,
संजात विरोधी.
Asanjata Virodhi, not Sanjata. Pratyaksha is Asanjata Virodhi. Aham Brahmasmi is Sanjata Virodhi. And third,
It is upajivya.
Pratyaksha is Upajivya. Pratyaksha, everyone takes Ashraya of Pratyaksha. And therefore, Aham Brahmasmi will not survive. This is Purva Paksha. Akshajasya Prabalye Hetu Garbham Visheshanam. Why Pratyaksha Pramana is Prabala? So we saw those 3 hetus. Here in Shloka it is given as Dridha Samskara. So Samskaras are very Dridha. Advaita Samskaras are weak. Raga Dveshadi Samskaras are Dridha. Doshas are very strong. I cannot let go of my dosha. Then the price I pay is I have to let go of Aham Brahmasmi. So for my petty Raga Dvesha, towards somebody I have some Raga, towards somebody I have Dvesha. For that I have to let go of the big kingdom of Aham Brahmasmi. Is that a wise decision?
No.
But we end up in this. Kincha tena mumukshur doshaihi visarga lopajde. Tena mumukshur doshai ragadibhishya bahir akrishyate. Bahirmukhi kriyate. Mumukshuhu doshaihi. Mumukshur doshaihi. Mumukshuhu, because of this raga dveshadi dosha, is made more and more extroverted. Bahirmukhi kriyate. Therefore, what he should do? He should do prasankhana. Means you close your eyes, you sit down somewhere, and you do aham brahmasmi. You will not be bahirmukha. Ataha prasankhyanam dosha nivrittaye cha karyam ityarthaha. It sounds so good, but it is wrong. Like they say, it tastes so good, but it is unhealthy. Like that. Not only that, he says further, na kevalam chiram niruda vasana ghatitattvena pratyaksha prabalyam apitu vishesha vishayatvacha itya. Not only pratyaksha has chirakala vasana, na kevalam chiram niruda vasana ghatitattvena pratyaksha prabalyam. Pratyaksha is prabala not because of this reason alone. But there is something else. Vishesha Vishayatvacha. So he defines in this way, there is something called Vishesha Vishaya and there is something called Samanya Vishaya. For our easy understanding, we can translate it in this way. Samanya Vishaya means Paroksha Jnana. And Vishesha Jnana means Aparoksha Jnana. Aparoksha or Pratyaksha is also called Aparoksha. So Pratyaksha Jnanam is where Jnanam is Sakshat, Aparoksha. But Anumana, Shabda, they all will generate Paroksha Jnana. Therefore, they are weaker. They say. This is the fourth argument for the Pratyaksha to be Prabala. Yat Shrutanumana Janmanau Samanya Vishayau Yataha Pratyaya Vakshajo Vashyam Visheshartho Nivarayet Shrutanumana Janmanau Samanya Vishayau Yataha Pratyaya Vakshajo Vashyam Visheshartho Nivarayet. Yataha Shrutanumana Janmanau Samanya Vishayau Pratyayau Akshajaha Vishesharthaha Avashyam Nivarayet. The karta is Akshajaha. Yataha Akshajaha Vishesharthaha. Akshaja means Pratyaksha. Pratyaksha Jnanam, which is Indriya Sannikarsha Janyam, which is Vishesha Arthaha, Aparoksha, and Shrutanumana Janmanau Samanya Vishayau, Shruta Jnana and Anumana Jnanam, Shrutanumana Janmanau. Shrutascha, Shruta Janmascha, Anumana Janmascha, iti Shrutanumana Janmanau. It is Dvitiya Dvivachan. If you take only Janman as Pratipadika, Janman, then Janma, Janmanau, Janmana. Janmanam, Janmanau,
Janmanaha.
Janmana. That is this Dvitiya Dvivachan. Shrutanumana and Janmanau, then Samasa. Dvandvante Shruyamanam Padam Pratyekam Abhisambhadyate. The Niyama. Dvandva Samasa. Janmana, Janmanau is at the end, so it will have Anvaya with each. They have Samanya Vishaya. They are Samanya Vishayaka Pratyaya. Because Paroksha Jnanam. So there is Samanya Jnanam and Vishesha Jnanam. Kinchid Asti Rajjuhu Iyam. So Kinchid Asti Sadrupena is Samanya. Rajju Jnanam is Vishesh. Idam Amsha is Samanya Amsha. Rajju Amsha is Vishesh Amsha. If I don't have the Jnanam of both, I will have Bhranti. So he says this Shabda Jnanam, Anumana Jnanam, etc., they are weaker because there are only Paroksha. श्रुतः शब्दो श्रुतः शब्दः अनुमानं लिंग ज्ञान विप्रलिप्सा भ्रांत्योः अपि तत्र संभाव्यमानत्वात् श्रुत ज्ञानम मीन्स शब्द ज्ञानम अनुमान ज्ञानम लिंग ज्ञानम विप्रलिप्सा भ्रांत्योः अपि तत्र संभाव्यमान देयर विप्रलिप्सा भ्रांति all of them are possible. Vipralipsa means intention to cheat, intention to deceive someone. So in Shabda Jnanam, if it is not Apta Vakya, there could be Vipralipsa, or they might have their own agenda. So they will twist the Vakya in particular way. Some people are like that. No matter what you say, they have their own way of understanding differently only. And Anumana can give Pranti. Instead of smoke, let's say there is dust storm in the Parvata, and I think it is Dhuma, and I do Anumanam. One is there. It is Bhranti Jnana. So Vipralipsa Bhrantyorapi Tatra Sambhavyamanatvat. Gatyantara Sambhavacha, and there Gatyantara is Sambhava. Gatyantara means differently it is understood. Whereas Pratyakshasya tad abhavat yuktam badakatvam. Pratyaksha does not have this. Therefore, badakatvam yuktam ityartha. Badakatvam pratyakshasya. Pratyaksha will do badha, or pratyaksha will become badhaka. Shravana, shabda jnanam, anumanam will become badhya. यदि वाक्यार्थ ज्ञान मात्रात् कृतकृत्यता कस्यचित् दृश्येत तदा प्रसंख्यान कल्पनम अनर्थकम स्यात् न तु तथा कश्चित् दृश्यते अथ प्रसंख्यानम आवश्यकम. पूर्वपक्ष says. Remember, from 9th shloka until 18th shloka, Purvapaksha is going to continue. यदि वाक्यार्थ ज्ञान मात्रात् कृतकृत्यता कस्यचित् दृश्य. Let's say you hear only Tattvamasi, Aham Brahmasmi, understood. Only one time Kritakritya. Have you seen it anywhere? So this is what Purvapakshi is saying. Yadi Vakyartha Jnana Matrat Kritakrityata, just by Vakyartha Jnanam, if there is Kritakrityata, Kasyachit Drishyata, if you see somewhere in someone, then Prasankhana Kalpanam will be Anarthakam Syat. Then this idea of Prasankhanam will be Anarthaka, because without that also Jnanam can take place. Natu tatha kasyachit drishyate. But we never see anywhere anybody having, listening to Aham Brahma, Tattvamasi once and he understands. Therefore, Prasankhyanam is avashyakam ityaha. Vakyartha pratyayikaschin nirdukho nopalabhyate यदि वा दृश्यते कश्चित् वाक्यार्थ श्रुति मात्रतः वाक्यार्थ प्रत्ययैकश्चिन् निर्दुःखो नोपलभ्यते यदि वा दृश्यते कश्चित् वाक्यार्थ श्रुति मात्रतः. This continues in the next shloka. निर्दुःखोऽतीत देहेषु कृतभावोऽनुमीयते चर्यानो शास्त्र संवेद्या स्यादनिष्टं तथा सति निर्दुःखोऽतीतदेहेषु कृतभावोऽनुमीयते चर्यानो शास्त्रसंवेद्या स्यादनिष्टं तथा सति 15th and 16th see 15th shloka वाक्यार्थ प्रत्ययी कश्चित निर्दुःखो न उपलभ्यते sentence number 1 anyone who has heard aham brahma tattvamasi mahavakya I don't see him is free from dukkham nirdukkhah nirgatam dukkham yasmat saha nirdukkhah na upalabhyate there is nobody like that in nirdukkhah what is the pratyaya
ईषदृशुषु कृच्छ्राकृच्छ्रेषु खल्
phal
प्रत्यय
nirdukho na upalabhya we don't see anyone who hears mahavakya and is free from sorrow number 1 यदि वा कश्चित कश्चित दृश्यते let's say you will quote तद्धै तत् see in the tika it is given तद्धै तत् पश्यन् ऋषिर्वामदेव प्रतिपेदे अहम मनुरभवम सूर्यश्च 1 comma then तद्धास्य विजज्ञा तद्धास्य विजज्ञा तद्धास्य विजज्ञौ तद्धास्य विजज्ञाविति at the end of षष्ठ अध्याय of छांदोग्य he understood इत्यादौ वाक्यार्थ ज्ञान मात्रात् वामदेवादि कृतकृत्य दृश्यते only through महावाक्य ज्ञानम वामदेवादि they didn't do prasankhyanam श्वेतकेतु didn't do prasankhyanam they are कृतकृत्य so that's why it is said यदि वा दृश्यते कश्चित वाक्यार्थ श्रुति मात्रतः by श्रवण मात्र if you think somebody is nirdukha and kritakritya then so in the tika it is given drishyate nirdukha drishyate means nirdukho drishyate iti uttara shloka gatena anvaya is connected with the next shloka then nirdukho atita deheshu krita bhavo anumiyate nirdukho will go with the previous one yadi va nirdukho drishyate then atita deheshu krita bhavo anumiyate then what is the anumanam in the previous life he must have done prasankhyanam Puravakshi's argument is if in this life he heard Tattvamasi once and he understood that means in previous life he had done prasankhyanam is there in Vedanti how we say if you do shravanam you will get jnana somebody says look at this person that person they are not doing Vedanta shravanam they got jnana in previous life they must have done mahavakya shravanam so Purvavakshi is using something similar in previous life that person must have done prasankhyanam this thought is over huh? Second line of 15 and first line of 16 is one thought then next thought is different then he says ashastra samvedya charya na syat na is nau then tatha sati anishtam syat ashastra samvedya means this charya means dinacharya or sannyasa charya. If the sannyasa charya is ashastra samvedya, na. If the shastra does not recommend some disciplinary lifestyle, samvedana means jnanam. If the ashastra samvedya charya na syat, means if the sannyasa dharma lifestyle is not performed according to some disciplinary rules, then there'll be anishtam, tatha sati anishtam syat. Means what he is saying is this. This fellow has taken karma sannyasa. He doesn't have family. If you don't give him enough work, he gets free food, clothes, no work, no responsibility. This fellow is going to do something harmful to himself, unknowingly. Therefore, you keep him so busy so that his mind doesn't go here and there. This sounds like Siddhanta Paksha. It is Purva Paksha. See, we don't disagree that this should be there so that this person is kept in check. But that is not because Mahavakya has not produced jnana. That is because this person doesn't have proper vairagya. That's why he is kept busy. Prasankhyanam is not necessary for that. So if these instructions, ashastra samvedya, means shastra vihita, if it is not, so ashastra, shastra vihita na, that na comes from akara, the na. And the first no is if not. If the charya is not ashastra samvedya, means if you don't agree with this, if you don't agree that prasankhyanam is needed, then if the lifestyle is not according to shastra, tatha sati anishtam syat, then some anishta will happen. So you need someone to keep a check on this. Nobody is going to be there. So best is you just tell, aham brahmasmi, etc. You keep doing. टीका 16th टीका वाक्यार्थ श्रवण मात्रा कश्चित यदि निर्दुखो दृश्यते श्रुति पुराणादौ. Through vakyartha shravana matra, if somebody becomes free from sorrow in Shruti Purana, some drashtanta is there. So atita deheshu krita bhavo anusthita prasankhyaano anumiyate. Then in atita deva krita bhava means anusthita prasankhyanah. Anushtitam prasankhyanam yena saha anusthita prasankhyanah. This anumanam you can do. Why? Nirdukhatva lingena. Nirdukhatvat. Why? Yatra yatra nirdukhatvam tatra tatra anusthita prasankhyanatvam. Wherever there is freedom from sorrow, there is performance of anushtanam. Kincha Sakrit Vignata Vakyarthasya Vidhi Anabhyupagame No Asmakam Charya. This is the last part. Sakrit Vijnata Vakyarthasya. If person who says, I understood in once, and then there is no vidhi for that person, vidhi anabhyupagame, naha is given acha. Here is given naha as asmaka. The other reading, naha is translated differently. No, you can take as asmakam according to this tika. Asmakam charya means paramahamsa ashrama achara ashastra samvedya syat. In the other reading, it is if you don't accept that, then if the vidhanam is not according to Shastra, in that way they have separated two. Na? Here na is taken as asmakam. Then ashastra samvedya syat ashrama paramamsa ashrama achara means this sannyasi, whatever he wants to do, he does. There are no rules for him. Put some rules. Morning 3 hours, aham brahmasmi. Then you eat something. Then another 5 hours, aham brahmasmi. Then after some time, another 3 hours. So now he has full schedule aham. Then he says, I'm getting bored with aham. Okay, you chant some, recite this, jati, niti, kula, gotra. Anything that reminds you aham brahmasmi, aham brahmasmi, you go on chanting. Chidananda rupa, shivoham, shivoham, etc., etc. So then he is very happy. That is not the objective. Huh? Tatha sati anishtam syat. If he is not given some rules, he will be doing anishta. Yati ashrama charya parityage api arudha patitata. If you do yati ashrama charya parityaga and then arudha patita will not happen, it will never happen. Means arudha patita will happen. Yati ashram charya parityage api arudha patita na bhaved iti anishta prasanga. It is bound to happen that you will fall in your sadhana. So better is you keep that person in check. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashyakritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyaptadehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.